Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is how to insert header and footer in Microsoft Word. What is header? Header is a text that appear in the top margin of a paper, and footer is the text that appear in the bottom margin of any page. On every page, when we insert the header and footer, on every page the text that we write, or if we use page number, it appears in the header or footer. So we are going to how to insert the header and footer. The first method is you simply double click in the top side margin and you appear this thing and header is written here. For example, I type here chapter number 1 and here I type my name on the right side, and you also can format it, and when you insert the header and footer you can see tab is here, header and footer, and header footer control is here in the header and footer tab. So when I am going to in the footer, you just click here and go to the footer side, and here you also can see many formats of the footer. Go to footer, you click here and go to footer, and you can, I just type here how to insert the page number here, and in the bottom of the page in the center side. Now I close the header and footer, and you can see here chapter number 1 and here my name, and in the bottom side page number. So when you type any text here, and I am going to copy paste it. Now page number 2 and page number 3, you can see in the bottom side you see the page number 2 or 3 automatically change, and in the top side this text is appearing on the all pages. If our document is contains many pages, 500 pages or 1000 pages, it appears on the all pages. Our second method is how to insert the header and footer. I am going to again get a new file, and second method is this: you click on the insert tab and then you click here in the header or footer. This is the section of header and footer. You click on header or footer. I click on the header and I choose here a template like this, and I can type here the document title, for example input devices. This header appear on the all pages of the document. So if I also want a footer, again you click here, go to footer, and you can choose date and time, page number, or any footer style from here, and you can change. So this header and footer now this time is in 0.5 inches margin, and you can also increase the margin. If you want to use a logo or any picture in header and footer, you also can use the picture. You click here and you click on the insert and then click on picture from this device. I am going to insert a logo here, so I click on CCJ logo and I just insert here. Now I resize it and decrease the size according to our place, and here I type Janab College Jung and I change the font size and style of Janab College Jung. So by this way you can use the header and footer. I hope you understand. And if any question or query, you can ask from me on Google Classroom, on YouTube comment, and on WhatsApp you can call me. Thank you very much.